My name's Matt Richardson. I'm Product Manager and Designer at Massey Harris. We're part of the Greater Manchester network and we install playgrounds all around the region and around the country. The support from the hub's touched many different areas of the business. The sales work's had probably the most impact with us. We used to have the tools in place, but what we've done is we've really turbocharged those tools and we're now being proactive in all of our sales and our marketing. The contact and the help from the hub has been really pivotal in that. The response and all of the actions from the hub have been perfect in terms of responsiveness, giving us genuine advice from the bottom all the way up to the top in terms of our design process, business practices, and couldn't really ask for any more. This is a 7-tower bespoke unit that we designed and manufactured. This was the first park in over 100 years for Manchester, representing the mills and the towers that were here previously in terms of the printing works and the dye works as well. Massey Harris fits in exactly with Greater Manchester's growth plans. This is a great example of what can be done with a joined up approach from the council down to developers, down to local suppliers and manufacturers. That's why we're so keen and so proud of being involved in these kind of projects, and we'd love to see more of these being rolled out across all of the 10 boroughs. The ambition at Massey Harris has really grown from our confidence in delivering projects like this, and we're now trying to take this around the world. Recruitment for us has become a real focus in terms of the onboarding, but also in terms of being able to find people who can help contribute to the continued success. My main journey has been about leadership and about how to approach teamwork and building the team around us to continue the success that Massey Harris has enjoyed for the last 80 years. And the Growth Hub's been able to help contribute to my personal development and also for me to develop and to build a team around us.